Hi guys, so welcome back. Happy Thursday. So what we are going to do today is we are going to learn how to be a friend to trees. Okay, it's important to respect our environment and our trees, okay, because they help us live, right? So this is called Be a Friend to Trees. So what I would like you to do first is go ahead and quickly grab your notebook and open up to a new page. You're gonna need it when we get halfway through this book, and there is a little activity in it. Okay, so go ahead and hit pause, find your notebook. Okay, and come join us when you're ready. Trees are nice, and they're nice to look at and nice to have around. Trees are also useful. Both people and animal need trees of all kinds, sizes, and shapes. Everything that is made of wood was once part of a tree. Look around you. How many wooden things do you see? Make a list and don't forget to count your pencil and maybe your house. Okay, so I want you to do that right now. Go ahead and grab your notebook, and we are going to make a list of things that that is made of trees. Okay, so go ahead and grab your notebook, open up to a new page. Okay, and we're gonna put our name right at the top. Okay, it's Plants Day 28, no, Plants Day 27, I'm sorry. Plants Day 27. Okay, and today is the 28th. That's what I meant to write. Okay, so we're gonna make a list of everything that's around you that's wooden. Okay, so you can write everything, make a title, wooden around me. Okay, so look around. I want you just to start shouting some things out. Okay, start writing it down. Okay, so start writing. So your pencil. House. My deck is made of wood. Okay, my table is made of wood. What else is made of wood in your house? Okay, shelf is made of wood. Blocks. Okay, I want you to make a list right now. Do that now. Make a list of some more things that in your house that are made of wood. Okay, pause your screen. Okay, maybe your cabinets. Okay, your chair. Maybe you have an old rocking chair. Okay, start making a list of all the things in your house that are made of wood. Okay, do that now. Okay, pause your video and do that. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. Okay, there we go. Okay, so paper also comes from trees. I didn't have paper on my list, so maybe you should put paper in yours. Wood is chopped into small pieces, mixed with chemicals, and heated. The wood softens and becomes pulp, which is used to make paper and cardboard. Writing paper, books, newspapers, magazines, paper towels, cereal boxes, milk cartons, and other things. Make another list of everything that you see that is paper or cardboard. Okay, do that now. Okay, we are going to make a list now of everything that is cardboard. Okay, so everything paper / cardboard. Okay, so the notebook. Start shouting some things out so I can write them down. What else do you think? So your notebook, okay, your book. So books, what else? Toilet paper, okay. What else? Start shouting some things out. Paper towel. What else? Cereal boxes. Okay, what else? The crackers box, okay. What else? Yeah, maybe you have a pizza box. All right, what else? What else could you have that's made of paper or cardboard in your house? Good. Maybe a newspaper. Awesome. Okay, go ahead and hit pause if you want to finish writing your list. Okay, and then when you're done, you can hit play again. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep going. Some trees can be tapped for their sap. Sap from different trees is used to make maple syrup, chewing gum, soap, paint thinner, and rubber. Raise your hand if you like maple syrup. Good, awesome. Trees have green plants, so they make their own food. Green plants are the only living things that can do this. Other living things depend on green plants for food, so we depend on green plants for food. Some eat plants of parts, some eat plant eaters, some eat both. You eat the parts of plants known as fruits and nuts. So apples, oranges, pears, cherries, peaches, walnuts, almonds, pecans, hazelnuts, and all the others. Chocolate also comes from a tree. It is made from the seeds of cacao trees. Yeah, cacao trees. Did you guys know that? Did you guys know that chocolate is made from a tree? Wow, awesome. You guys are super smart. Many animals eat parts of trees. Caterpillars eat leaves, so do deer, so do koalas. Porcupines eat the inner bark of trees, as well as the buds and the twigs. Squirrels and chipmunks gather nuts to eat. Bees find food in the flowers of trees. They collect pollen and sugary liquid called nectar. Birds eat seeds and fruits from trees. And those are only a few of the animals that find food in trees. Many animals make their homes in trees. Birds roost in trees. They build nests and raise their young in trees. Squirrels nest in trees. Monkeys live in the trees. And some tree frogs spend their whole lives in trees without ever coming down. That's crazy. Could you imagine being in a tree all the time? That would be so cool. Honeybees make hives in hollow trees. Many other insects also live in trees. So do small creatures such as spiders. Deer find shelter beneath the trees of forests and woodlands, and they find safe places to hide their young. The roots of trees still hold soil in place. They keep it from washing away in heavy rains or floods of water from melting snow. When soil is held in place, water sinks into it and is stored in the ground. Many people depend on water that is stored underground. They draw it to the surface through wells. Trees do something else that is very important. They do this with the air we breathe. Air is made of gases. One of them is oxygen. It is the gas that our bodies need. It is the gas that all animals need. So each time we breathe, we take oxygen out of the air. But the supply is never used up. The reason is that trees and other green plants are putting oxygen into the air. They give off oxygen as they make food. What is that called? I heard so many friends say it. It's called photosynthesis. Great job. Trees make food in their leaves. Their leaves can be broad like the other ones you see on a maple tree. They can be narrow and pointed like the needle-shaped leaves you see on a fir or a pine tree. All these leaves do the same work. They make food for their trees. To make food, leaves use water, which they take from the ground. They use gas called carbon dioxide, which they take from the air. And they use sunlight as energy. With energy from the sun, green leaves put the water and carbon dioxide together. They make a kind of sugar. The making of food by plants is called photosynthesis, a word that means putting together with light. Okay, so we talked about photosynthesis. There's another diagram of it. You guys are experts on that because we spent all week talking about it. Trees need food just to stay alive. They also need food for growth, to make new wood, leaves, twigs, fruits, and nuts. Some of the tree's food is used right away. Some is stored for future use. While making food, leaves also make oxygen that they don't need. They get rid of it by putting it into the air. Much of the oxygen that people and animals need come from trees. Without them, we might not be here at all. So trees are more than nice. They're something we can't live without. And that is why everyone should be a friend to trees. Okay, so we need to be a friend to trees because they help us live. Hey, you guys did a fantastic job today listing all the different pieces that come from a tree. Okay, you guys are doing fantastic. Keep up all your hard work and have a great rest of your day.